Hello everybody. So I've been coming to this dentist for a long time now, and what I really liked was just do it. It's always been a funny joke to me. Even when this machine would turn around, it didn't scare me because I knew it didn't want to hurt me. It just wanted to take a picture of my teeth so they can see what had to fix. Next, they brought me to these chairs. They had Dinosaur chairs, but they replaced it to these. I really liked these chairs because it really had most of the equipment that I needed. Now, in this room, there's actually the Dinosaur chairs. I was really into dinosaurs, so I really like seeing these chairs when I was a little kid. So, me sitting on these chairs bring me back memories. This dentist was really family friendly, so I really loved sitting on these chairs, even laying down. When they had to take out all my teeth, there was basically a cavity. They had to put a crown on it and they had to replace it with a new one. So I always felt comfortable here.
Hi everyone, Dr. Olga is here. I want to introduce one of our long-term patient mom. Her name is Cara. Can you tell us why did you pick Palm Valley Pediatric Dentistry to begin with? How did you end up with us?
Well, we had tried actually a couple different offices, and each place we went, my kids weren't comfortable, the vibe wasn't right. And then we met Dr. Olga and Palm Valley Pediatric, and we never turned back. We were extremely comfortable here. My kids were comfortable. That was a big thing for me. They took great care of them, and my kids actually liked going, which was huge because before it was, you had to kind of pull them and get them to go. So yeah, we love it here. We love how comfortable we are. Everybody treats my girls with, they can't say enough about it. We love it here.
Can you share with me, why did you like to come to Palm Valley, and do you remember the first time?
The first time I came, I was nervous, but they made it really comfortable, and I love the dinosaur chairs.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, dinosaur chair make a big difference. Are you scared to come to the dentist, or?
No, I'm not really scared because you guys make it really comfortable.
Oh, that's good.
I feel safe here.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear. I can't tell you enough how many times I've seen moms or dads who actually had a very negative experience in childhood and now they have dental phobia. That's what my goal is. I want this kid to grow up and know that dentistry is just okay, it's fun. I just want to brush my teeth. I don't want to have cavities. That's why I'm doing this. And if I do have cavities, it's not a big deal. That's the theory. That's what I want these kids to grow up with. So this is Flor and her little kids. So they've been patients with us for a long time. Can you tell us why do you come to Palm Valley Pediatric Dentistry?
Yes, so first of all, we went to other offices and one of my friends told me about Palm Valley Dentistry. And when we were here for the first time, the kids loved the environment. It's very kids friendly. They love the dinosaurs. They're dinosaurs fans, so it was amazing. He got to go to other places and he was afraid. And when we start coming here, he's just not afraid anymore. Every time I said we have a dentist appointment, they already know what to expect. They love coming here. I know in the future they will not be afraid to continue taking care of their smile because they have such a good experience here. Also, the locations are really convenient because of their school locations. Sometimes I have to schedule in the other practice without a problem, so we love it here.
I want the best for my kids, my patients. I care about them as much as I do care about my own. And I'm the mom of 3 kids. And we had different experience with all my 3 kids. I don't like kids crying. I don't like those negative experiences these kids can get in dental office. And that's why in our practice, we're trying to tailor to every single kid and see what personality they have. Does this kid can sit still for this time, or should we sedate him? Our mission as a practice is to create an amazing memory, positive childhood experience, which lasts that child for life. We have my former assistant.
Yes.
So Laura started with us when she was pregnant, and she was part of our team. And then all her kids became our patients.
Yes.
So Laura, can you tell us why did you start with Palm Valley in general? Why do you bring your kids here?
Well, we love you.
Thank you.
And just it feels like family here. All my kids love coming here. They feel comfortable and safe. They're never nervous to come into the dentist. They love seeing you.
Do you remember very first time when you guys, I think you guys came for like a second opinion.
Yep. And again, immediately we came and we knew almost immediately, especially after meeting Dr. Olga, that this was the place that we were going to end up, because they answered all of our questions very thoroughly. They took the fear out of my kids, so it was a no-brainer for us. We knew we were here for the long haul.
I enjoy seeing my little patients to grow. It's just such an amazing experience. I remember them little girls, and all of a sudden I see them every 6 months.
Yep.
All of a sudden they're bigger.
Yeah.
Then we transform from dinosaur chairs to big kids chairs.
Yep.
And now we're teenagers, we have different interests.
Yep.
It's just amazing.
And they still love coming.
Because we provide orthodontics as a dental treatment, we're focusing on making sure the kids have like wider jaws. Nowadays, since epigenetics, so in the population, we actually see less wisdom teeth using the same impact. Their jaws become very small and narrow because of the airway problems. So it's kind of overall for the whole population is changing. So we're catching it early. We're trying to expand the palates. We're trying to create more airway space. So we're trying to set this kid up for success in life. We don't want to ignore certain conditions and then later on he suffers from sleep apnea or something else. So that's the goal, to get your kid healthy, to have a good experience. And that's how we do it here at Palm Valley Pediatric Dentistry and Orthodontics. What do you have in your teeth?
Braces.
Braces! When did you start this?
Yesterday.
Yesterday! Oh my goodness! Did they scan your mouth?
Oh, yeah, we-
Super cool scanner. Were you able to see your mouth?
Was it easier than you thought it was going to be? Yeah, she was a little nervous. What was your
Yes,
favorite
ma'am.
part about your braces?
The colors.
Like picking the color.
colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. What about your braces? Where do you do your braces?
I get them done here, and I love them.
How was your experience with braces?
It was really good.
Yeah? Is it easy? You come
It
in?
was easy. You just come in, and it's really quick experience. And
Awesome. You look beautiful. That
Thank
smile is
you.
changing so much. Would you recommend our practice to your friends?
100%. We tell everybody about Palm Valley Pediatric Dentistry. We have referred many, and every one of them have come back and told me how much they love it and how right we were about them. So we can't say enough about it.
I send all my friends here for braces or just cleanings for all of their kids. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
I appreciate it.
I actually work as a home visitor, and when parents ask me for dentists, I always refer them here.
Oh, that's so good.
Actually, most of my friends come here.
And we're so glad to take care of these kids because we see them from one and we all very sad at the age of 18 when they have to go. It's very kind of touching moment because we see them growing.
Yes, and we're actually expecting right now, so maybe in a year and a half you'll have a new patient.
Can't wait to see your new baby.
I know.
My dream would be to have like integration between pediatrician, pediatric dentist, maybe ENT, and have actually naturopathic aspect to it and have like a very well developed system which would take care of the kid from birth until 18. And we can fix medical problems, we can have dental problems. That's my dream.